Today, I've compiled the most heart-pounding, unbelievable dashcam miracles you'll ever witness. Fearless pet leaping from a speeding car and landing safely in an insane jump. A driver's split-second escape at a blazing train crossing, inches from annihilation. Stunning near misses on the highway that rewrite the laws of luck. These aren't crashes. These are pure miracles caught on Dashcam. You won't believe your eyes. Hit that like button right now if you'd survive even O&E. Subscribe for more insanity, and let's jump in, starting right now. This accident happened during a severe sandstorm. As the storm intensified, visibility dropped to almost zero. Drivers could no longer see the road. Strong winds pushed sand across the highway, turning daylight into darkness within seconds. One driver failed to slow down in time. Another stopped suddenly. The result, a chain reaction collision. This next footage shows an accident during a heavy snowstorm. Snow covered the road completely, hiding lane markings and ice underneath. Temperatures were below freezing, causing black ice. One of the most dangerous road conditions. The driver applied the brakes, but the car kept sliding. Within seconds, the vehicle lost control, spun across lanes, and crashed. These accidents were not unavoidable. They were predictable. Extreme weather demands respect. The road does not forgive mistakes. Learn from these moments. Drive with awareness. And always choose safety over speed.
Hope everyone's okay.
This video could save your life. 1 second, one decision, a blink, a distraction, a wrong move, and suddenly, metal collides, glass explodes, lives are thrown into chaos. From accidents that destroy everything, to people with extraordinary, unbelievable luck. Welcome to Top Dashcam Lesson. Real crashes, real lessons, real survival. The road looks empty. The drive feels relaxed. No traffic, no pressure. Everything seems safe. Until it isn't. From the opposite direction, a car suddenly flies into the air. No warning. No time to react. Just inches decide everything. This wasn't luck. It was timing. Remember, even empty roads can turn deadly. Stay alert. Always. Always get enough rest before driving, especially if you're behind the wheel of a heavy truck. The car keeps moving. The crossing looks clear. Then, a horn screams. Panic. The train is too close. They jump out. They run. The train misses the car by inches. 1 second later, there would be no escape. Never ignore a train crossing. Speed is deadly. Always think twice before speeding, especially on busy and crowded roads. too dark to see what was coming. One light was enough to save a life, but it was never checked. In seconds, silence turned into chaos. Metal crashed. Brakes screamed. Everything stopped. This didn't have to happen. Before you travel, check your lamps, headlights, brake lights, signals. At night, darkness hides danger. Stay alert. Stay cautious. One small check can save your life.
Oh my God! Jesus! Another one!
Never open your car window while traveling with pets. Use a pet seatbelt or secure carrier. One careless moment can cost a life. Protect them. Always. One moment of caution can save 2 lives. Slow down in animal crossing areas. Stay alert. Animals don't know our roads, but we know the danger. Always be cautious when animals cross. Just one glance, one message, 1 second of distraction. That's all it takes. The road doesn't forgive mistakes. While you're looking at your phone, life keeps moving ahead of you. Heavy eyes, slow reactions. A tired mind is just as dangerous. If you feel tired, stop. Rest before it's too late. No text is worth a life. No call is worth a crash. Stay focused. Stay alive. You have power. Speed at your command. Control at your feet. But power without patience is danger. The road is not a race. One reckless move can end everything. True control is knowing when to slow down. True strength is choosing patience. You may have the power to go fast, but using it wisely saves your life. Drive with patience. Arrive alive. Four roads meet in one place. Each driver thinking the same thing, just a little farther. The light changes. Someone hesitates. Someone rushes. In one heartbeat, everything collides. Headlights flash. Brakes scream. Metal crashes into metal. Then comes the silence. Broken glass. Engines dying. Lives forever changed. A crossroad is not just an intersection. It's a test of patience and awareness. One reckless decision can destroy many journeys. 1 second of caution can save them all. Slow down. Look twice. Respect the crossroad. Because at an intersection, there is no rewind. Drive with caution, especially on narrow roads and small alleys. This is not a racetrack. It is a shared space, around tight corners. There are pedestrians, children, elderly people. One careless push of the gas can change everything. Respect others on the road. Slow down. Use your horn wisely, because safety is not just about you. It's about everyone who shares this road. Slow doesn't mean weak. Slow means you care. like a safe place, a market parking lot, a public space full of life. People walk between cars. Vendors call out. Children run ahead of their parents. Engines start. Cars move slowly, and attention begins to fade. One driver checks a phone. Another rushes to leave. A mirror is ignored. A blind spot is missed. Then it happens. A sudden impact. A scream. Silence follows. Public places demand more than skill. They demand patience. Slow down, even more than usual. Check every direction. Use your mirrors. Look behind before reversing. Never assume the path is clear. In parking lots and markets, danger hides in plain sight. Because in places meant for people, one careless move can change many lives. Drive slowly. Stay alert. Respect public spaces.
Put them back.
The road is never truly safe, no matter how familiar it feels. One mistake, one distraction, one careless moment, and everything can change. Drive with awareness. Respect the rules. Slow down when needed. Check your vehicle. Stay focused. Rest when you feel tired. Safe driving is not about skill alone. It's about responsibility. If this message can save even one life, it matters. Subscribe to this channel for more real warnings, real lessons, and reminders that life is precious. Drive safe. Arrive alive.
Call 911 now.
He's upside down. I'm pulling over. Lost it. You just hit the wall.
My heart just stopped.
We're good. We're good. Keep going.
Holy, he's cutting right in.
So close.
Everybody's okay. Jeez.
Heart's still racing.
Let him go. Not worth it.
Oh! Squirrel! Breaking! Truck's losing it!
Oh my God.
Call 911.
Roads are slick this morning.
Yeah.
Oh my